Assalamualaikum friends, I am Muhammad Rocky Islam. I have come to you with a new video. My video topic is how you can edit professional level videos with CapCut. Without further ado, let's start the video with a short intro. Dear viewers, first of all you have to install CapCut apps on your mobile phone. I have already installed it, so now I am opening my CapCut application for video editing. Now you have to click on new project. Now you have to select your video to edit. After this you can see our video quality is poor. You have to delete the ending part of this video. Now you can see we have a poor qualities of video, that lightings are very poor. Now we are trying to fix this. Let's start. You have to click on this video track and scroll right. Now you have to click on adjust. You can adjust as you want the brightness, the contrast, saturation, exposure. This is the most important thing of HSL and adjust. You can select here many of color. Please, I am turning this color updated. Right color, right click, yellow. After this, highlight, some highlight increase, shadows, and if you think your video is getting temperature up, you can down it from here, then okay. And to one more thing, you have to click on this track and go to retouch and here face. You can see skin color. You can change your skin color. I have changed my skin color, and smoothness of my skin, I have up it. You have to stay on 10 into 15, and here brighten. Brighten. Okay, fine. Let's check this full video.
আসসালামু guys, আমি আজকে আপনাদের একটা ট্রিক শেখাবো। সেটা হচ্ছে
Now our video is
এই করে ফেলতে পারবেন।
so many clear.
আমি CapCut এর মাধ্যমে সেটা বুঝিয়ে দিই।
To save this, effect, video effect, search here, lens blur. You have to select this blur and press OK. Make it full video and adjust it. You have to reduce the blurriness. Below 10, and after all you have to add overlay your saved video. Add overlay, you select your video and press add, and adjust to the frame, and click on this track, go to cutout and background remove.